5 best features. Much more comfortable than the classic Air Force 1. The biggest improvement is the Nike React foam midsole, which makes the shoe feel softer and more cushioned than the standard Air Force 1. If you're on your feet for hours, you'll notice the extra comfort, especially during long walks or city outings. Lightweight feel. For an Air Force 1, traditional Air Force 1S are known for being a bit heavy, but the React version reduces some of that weight. It still feels solid, but walking all day is less tiring thanks to the lighter midsole and updated construction. Modern look without losing the AF1 identity. The React version keeps the iconic Air Force 1 shape while adding modern details like layered materials, exposed foam, and a redesigned sole. It stands out from regular AF1S without looking too futuristic. Great for everyday wear. Whether you're going to college, the office, shopping, or traveling, the Air Force 1 React is versatile enough for daily use. It pairs well with jeans, joggers, cargos, and shorts while remaining comfortable throughout the day. Good grip and durable outsole. The rubber outsole provides reliable traction on most everyday surfaces, and the overall construction is durable enough to handle regular wear without showing excessive signs of damage. Oh no! Top 3 drawbacks. Not as iconic as the original Air Force 1, many sneaker enthusiasts still prefer the clean, classic design of the original Air Force 1. The layered upper and React styling can feel too busy for people who like minimalist sneakers. Still creases around the toe box. Even though the design is updated, the leather upper still develops toe box creases after regular use. This is common with most leather Air Force 1 models and is difficult to avoid. Limited colorways and availability. The Air Force 1 React isn't produced as consistently as the classic AF1. Some popular colorways become difficult to find, and certain sizes may only be available through resale markets.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.